Yeah, Mariners make a deal over the weekend, trade American League home run leader Edwin Encarnacion to the Yankees for 19-year-old pitching prospect Juan Then. The optics, no, they're not great. Then was here then before he was dealt for Nick Rumbelow a few years ago. Rumbelow was released just about a week and a half ago, and so to trade Edwin Encarnacion to get back a player that you literally gave away, yeah, it's not the best optics for Jerry Dipoto. I don't think he cares one iota about that. He wants to make the best deal he can in order to make this team as good as it can be in a few years, and then is actually pretty highly thought of. He's pitched really well since leaving. He slots in now somewhere in the top 10 to 15 of Mariners prospects, and so they are continuing to get better long-term. Still, I understand how this can be a bit of a bitter pill for fans to swallow.
Yeah, and I guess we all have to have an understanding that, we see an incomplete picture. That if you just want to look at this in the headline, you just want to look at it from a couple different sources, you just want to look at it from one direction, I get it. And frankly, you know what? After 19 years, I'm not going to tell you how to think. I feel your frustration. I understand it. I think the folks down there at that new ballpark, T-Mobile, do as well. And the only thing they're going to urge you is to give us a little bit of a patience as they put the whole puzzle together, all of these moving pieces, and to find one trade partner in the New York Yankees and to save $7 million and to bring back a guy you at least know well that's going to slot into the top 15 of your prospects. This is part of the rebuild process.
Yes, this is Edgar.
Edgar, hi. This is Jack O'Connell. I'm with the Baseball Writers Association of America. And I'm calling to tell you that the writers have elected you to the National Baseball Hall of Fame. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate the call.
I know you've been waiting a long time. Some of us voted for you 10 times. But there's an expression, better late than never. So very happy for you, Edgar. Really am.
Thank you.
Edgar, please join us. And as chairman of the National Baseball Hall of Fame, it's my honor, Edgar, to welcome you into the Hall of Fame family and to ask the commissioner to please read the inscription on your plaque.
Edgar Martinez, Seattle, AL, 1987 through 2004. One of the game's best pure batsmen, defined designated hitter position with a precise batting eye and ability to consistently drive the ball to all fields. Became the third right-handed batter in history with as many as 7 consecutive seasons with a .300 average, 400 on-base percentage, and .500 slugging percentage. Won 2 batting crowns and 3 on-base percentage titles, producing 7 seasons with at least 20 home runs and 6 with 100 or more RBI. A 7-time All-Star, earned 5 Silver Slugger Awards in a career that began as a third baseman. Delivered signature moment in Mariners history with a walk-off double to secure the 1995 ALDS victory.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the Hall of Fame class of 2019, Edgar Martinez.
Thank you to the writers for this incredible honor. I am so fortunate to have two homes, Puerto Rico and Seattle. Seattle fans, thank you for always being there for me. Since 1987, you gave me your unconditional support, and it was even more prevalent in the last 10 years. The support you gave me over the social media really helped me to get here today. Thank you, Mariner fans. You are the best fans I could ever hope for. I am so glad that I stayed with you till the end of my career. I love you, Seattle fans. Thank you.
And the 0-1 pitch on the way to Edgar Martinez. Swung on the line, down the left field line for a base hit. Here comes Joy. Here is Junior to third base. They're going to wave him in. The throw to the plate will be late. The Mariners are going to play for the American League Championship. I don't believe it. It just continues. My, oh my.
Hard hit ground out to third in his first big league at bat back in the second inning. High fly ball. Giddy up. Kyle Lewis is first. Big league homer. And he's tied the game at 1-1. Mom and Dad are here. Ruth and Charles. Lewis there.
Lewis and Collins is what Detroit's going through. They're taking Braxton. They're done with Quantrill. They're taking Puck.
Okay.
And Ray's taking Ray.
Gotcha. Yeah, I just think Lewis could be an impact guy. I mean, a star, you know.
Mac.
Stay strong. Stay strong. Okay. He'll be there when we pick. That's what I'm getting. Somebody told me 3 weeks ago that Kyle Lewis would be our first pick. I'd freaking jump on it. That's good. Very good spot. Lewis is maybe your guy. Getting the stare down. Yeah.
They're going to take Quantrill.
Padres?
Yeah. Manning to the Tigers.
No, this guy there, he ain't going to be, these guys won't be there. Just, not that I know, you know, hey, look, if somebody told me that this guy would be there today, you know, you good? You good there? Okay, beautiful. I can't believe we're going to get this guy. Would you take Willis? Go down. All right, good. No good.
I'm a little on edge. I can't believe it. Because it's my lucky socks.
With the 8th selection of the 2016 MLB Draft, the San Diego Padres select Cal Quantrill, a right-handed pitcher.
Scotty, we're taking Lewis because he's the better guy. $3 million, it's a done deal. Are you happy? You got it. Bye. We got Lewis. A slot. A slot. Yeah. Okay. Super. I got it. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna take him. Yeah. Hey, Scotty, we're good to go, right? We're good. Congrats. Nice.
This is a no-brainer to catch.
The Seattle Mariners select Kyle Lewis, an outfielder from Mercer University in Macon, Georgia.
You know, I always felt like I had the ability to do it, but, you know, it's always a dream come true. You never really dream of going this high in a draft. For me, it's like, it's one of those things where you know, I always felt like I was good, but being mentioned in this high of a conversation for me is always a dream come true. Again, a game changer. I'm an impact player, and I feel like, I'm gonna, make an impact from day one when I get out there. Any place that wants me is a good fit for me, and I like the fan base out there, so it's gonna be good.
It's a great day for Mercer University, the Southern Conference, and in the city of Macon. Should all be proud of Kyle Lewis, and we certainly are. I am. I can't wait to watch him play in the big leagues. He's a major leaguer today.
Time hard hit ground out to third in his first big league at bat back in the second inning. High fly ball. Giddy up. Kyle Lewis is first. Big league homer. And he's tied the game at 1-1. Mom and Dad are here. Ruth and Charles Lewis, they are digging that. Yes, sir. Bring him into that. Kyle Lewis, good opportunity for the rookie. Fly ball, deep right center field. Giddy up, baby. Go, go, gone! 3-run homer for Kyle Lewis. And the Mariners have a 3-2 lead here in the 7th inning. The rookie back-to-back night.
Rest of the way, thinking about the 2 home runs.
Here's a drive deep to left. He has done it again. Wow. Kyle Lewis, 3 games, 3 home runs. Mariners have a 5-2 lead.
Well, you know what, Dan? Never mind with all that. Just keep the party going. How about that? I mean, wow.
What else can you say?
Absolutely blasted.
457 feet. That is crushed.
109 miles an hour off the bat.
He's getting used to this.
Here's Kyle Lewis.
Deep shot out to center, and this is another one. Checking in on the batter's eye. His 4th is a mammoth 3-run blast, and he has brought the Mariners within a run.
420 feet, and this gives you an example of why he was a first-round pick. This pitch is middle in, kind of an inside-out swing, and he drives it 420 feet, well over the wall into center field. It's not even close.
Now tonight it is all about the King Felix Hernandez on the mound for the final time as he has made his grand entrance from the Mariners bullpen inside the home dugout. And what a King's court we have. What a sight here inside T-Mobile Park, going from the lower level all the way up to the lights.
And at this moment, here comes Felix Hernandez, steps over the 2 lines at first base as he works his way out to the mound here for his final appearance here at T-Mobile Park, and the crowd on its feet. And what a sight, looking at the King's Court and the High Court with the gold t-shirts and the placards going. It is a tremendous sight as Felix salutes everybody as he does a little turn around the mound.
And the 2-2 to Murphy. Swing and a miss. Strike 3, and he got it. 25-22 in the books for Felix.
Here's the 1-2 from Felix. Swing and a miss. He struck him out. Felix turns and salutes the King's Court and the High Court. What a great moment.
Felix is 3-2. Another ticket punched by the King. Sucked to left. Dylan Moore is able to make the catch!
Holy smokes! What a catch by Dylan Moore! Robbing Pinder and saving 3 runs for the King.
Felix with the 2-2 pitch. Here it is. Swung on. Line drive into the gap. Right center field. Malik Smith right there. Makes the catch. 1 down. Rick, this is almost as emotional as the perfect game back on August 15th, 2012.
This is going to be it. He's going to take his final bow right now.
Well, everybody rising to their feet. Scott Service hearing it from the fans. Felix has thrown 106 pitches. And ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the culmination of a magnificent Mariners career for Felix Hernandez.
This is the humanity of the game of baseball right here.
Absolutely.
The love and emotion for a player who gave his heart to this city, to this organization. Hugs to all his infielders. Scott Service.
There he comes out with a curtain call. Well deserved as he comes out across the warning track, touches his heart with his right hand up in the air as he spins around and acknowledges everybody in T-Mobile Park, raises his cap up in the left hand, both hands up in triumph with a fist bump.
Oh my.
This is really something. Congratulations, Felix. You had a magnificent run, buddy. Seattle Mariners, Felix Hernandez, the 2-2. He got him! 34 years, 119 games. It's finally happened. A perfect game by a Seattle Mariner. It was done by the King, Felix Hernandez.
I was living in a devil town. I didn't know it was a devil town. Oh Lord, it really brings me down about the devil town. All my friends were vampires. Didn't know they were vampires. Turns out I was a vampire myself in the devil town. Living in a devil town. Didn't know it was
was living in a devil town. I didn't know it was a devil